Hello, my name is Yeohyun Ahn. I'm an assistant professor of graphic design and interaction design in the art department at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Thank you for Design Incubation and CAA to invite my presentation. Today, I will talk about academic marginality and exclusion of graphic design educators of the United States. I'm originally from South Korea. I came to America as an international graduate student at Maryland Institute College of Art in 2005. I have been exploring computational typography, type plus code, since 2005. My project was used to be told that it's not graphic design. After graduation, I started teaching as adjunct faculty in diverse institutions, including a historically black institution, a prestigious world-class art school, and a predominantly white institution. My diverse academic journey ended up with my multidisciplinary project, Social Homelessness on U.S. Campuses. I projected the title Social Homelessness on U.S. Campuses on the exterior of Chicago Symphony Orchestra building in 2018. It was from the workshop Design Activism led by Adam Delmarcel and hosted by Heather Quinn at DePaul University. Later, they were invited to my graphic design program as guest artists. I joined the graphic design program of the art department at UW in 2018. My graphic design program was like an island, not connecting with the art department. This is the exhibition photos Beyond Print in 2018 at UW-Madison. I initiated this exhibition for art and graphic design students to provide interdisciplinary learning opportunities, collaborating with art, technology, and diversity. My students explored experimental and extended graphic design with creative coding, sound and data visualization, design thinking for user experience design, digital fabrication. Also, it included the installations for extended posters, typography, illustration, generative brand identity, using scientific research, lab-grown meat into packaging design. I started inviting visionary graphic design and art educators to the graphic design program. My first guest artist was Heather Quinn. She is a great graphic design educator who has diverse experience from branding, publication design to speculative design with activism. My next guest artist was Adam Delmarcel, a great artist, printmaker, and graphic design educator, integrating with activism for opioid crisis. My third guest artist was Taekyung Lee, specialized in tangible type by using 3D printing. Later, I invited Ellen Lupton, who was my graduate director at MICA. My graphic design is deeply inspired by her design philosophy. My guest artists as a group had a panel discussion at AIGATC panel, Crossing Boundaries, Alternate, Extended, and Transdisciplinary Graphic Design Education and Research. Evolving Graphic Design. It is a multi-institutional collective graphic design research. This is from my research proposal as a principal investigator for evolving graphic design. Long-established graphic design education in the U.S. is academically still homogeneous. It has been driven by print design and it is culturally Western-centered. Conventional graphic design educators of the United States may sustain their traditional roles as print designers. Their invisible academic efforts are hugely collective and invisibly aggressive. My research aims to create original and impactful exhibition and research opportunities for academically underrepresented and marginal graphic design educators in the United States. I invited several co-principal investigators and exhibitors for my research proposal who are well aware of the significance of this research, and we submitted the research proposal to several grants. We received 2 grants from Brittingham Trust and fall competition around $70,000 from Wisconsin Alumni Association this year. This is my exhibition abstract for evolving graphic design. This research will investigate The future of graphic design education research and practices, crossing boundaries among creative coding, 3D printing, Corella projection, speculative design, sound and data visualization, augmented reality with activism and cultural identity, impacted by globalization. The curated exhibition will showcase evolving graphic design, including technically diverse and culturally inclusive voices and approaches. The exhibition, the symposium will be held this summer at UW with the partner Society of Experimental Graphic Design. This is the generative poster design for the exhibition, Evolving Graphic Design by using computer vision to portray the audience's movement into the typography. I'm looking forward to meeting you at UW this summer. Thank you so much for CAA and Design Incubation again to invite my research.